We early start the day, sun's just coming up, so this is a good time to get out and fly drones. So today I had a question a couple of weeks ago, and what it was, when you're in the follow mode, how low can you fly before it stops or goes off on one? Because usually when you're flying the drone, now today I got the Mini 3 Pro, but you can use the Mini 4 Pro, well, any drone that's got a follow mode in it, to be honest. Usually up at a certain height, and then it locks onto you, and sometimes it will let you know that it won't do it. So the whole point of this test is, can it be done? Can you have it really low and follow you still? So I've got my Mini 3 Pro today. I've got my, just get hold of it, my RC controller, because that's the only one it works with, and obviously my RCM1 controller, where I'm going to be using my tablet. I'm going to be using two apps. One's going to be the DJI Fly app, and the other one's going to be the Maven Evo app. Do you think it's going to work? Let's find out, eh? Quick tip, guys. What I always do before I go out, I did check this for any updates, and there was an update, so I had to update that. I obviously make sure it was bounded to the drone itself, so that when I come out I don't get all these complications. So guys, before you go out, make sure you're prepared. Formatted your card, batteries, everything, and then you have a nice easy day. Now I've got the Fly app, got to draw a box around me. Okay, so first problem, what I have noticed that when you're doing these sort of things, you have to change your footage to 4K 30, which is fine. So that's on. So now I'll go back to drawing the box. Okay, I got spotlight, active track. We'll try manual. Right, see, it's already saying I'm too low, so I'm going to bring up the drone. I'm going to see, obviously I'm a feet and 8 inches man. Right, so I'm about 8 foot, which is fine. 8 foot's a good height. Hello, there's a hole there. That's new. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to see if I can take control of the gimbal. Okay. Right, so look, it's saying minimal height, and that was near on about 6 foot. So I'm just going to see if that's it. So it's going around me. That's pretty good, I must say. So I mean, I think it's gone up to, oh no, it's sort of fluctuating between 5'6" to even 4'6" there. Okay. So keep an eye on the height, guys, because it's 5'2" now, it's going up to 6 foot. So it does, obviously it's keeping in line with the contours, isn't it? So it's 6 foot. I'm just going to do that again. It should go down about, yep, 4'6" it went. Okay, now it's going back up. Now it's going back up. Okay, what I'll do now, I'm just going to try while it's still in flight, even though I think it's going to not let me do it, is I'll come down a lot lower. No. It's not letting me go low. So what we'll do now, we're going to come out of this one and we're going to change over. I'm going to try the Maven Evo. God, you know what? Changing over drones to an Android device just takes yonks. I had to go through so much of a process, but I'm not going to tell you. But we got there about half an hour, I think. I have to move the camera because the sun's coming onto it now. So as you can see at the moment on the screen, the drone's all ready to take off. So that's the first thing we'll do. We'll do the takeoff for the drone. Now, what I've noticed here is the ground's slightly higher. So I'm hoping it's going to fall it a little bit when I put it into follow. That's the plan anyway. So let's just go over this way a bit. I'm going to leave the drone that height. It's telling me it's 4 foot. Okay. So it's putting the drone onto me now. Now obviously with this, we don't dual box around me. I have to put on the co-pilot. So there's the co-pilot. I put the little man because that's me. I do the gimbal control. And I do, right, go up to 6, right. So this is telling me straight away that I've got to go up to 6 feet. Or 2 meters, well, 2 meters. Yeah, 6 feet. So what I'll do, I'm just going to take it up a bit then. So looking at that, because it all looks, so I'm 6 foot. So will it do it this time? Go up. Still asking me to go up a little bit more. Okay. That's even going up higher now. Right. So let's move that again. Okay, so what it's saying now, it's got to be a certain distance as well. Okay. Just fly it back. Got the sun in my face. God, I'm sweating as well, guys. All right. Okay. Okay. Now, hopefully, it's all going to work now. Altitude not available on this. Okay, that's fair enough. And I think I can use that one just to give me a bit more background. Okay. Let's do that again. Right, so we got the stop at the top there. So at the moment, it ain't working very well on the Maven Evo, which was interesting because I thought I could do it better on the Maven Evo. So anyway, I'm just going to have a walkabout. Oh, hang on, I just noticed the gimbal thing. Whoa. Okay, I just got the gimbal on it. Okay, I'm just walking around the camera at the moment. So, what I'm going to try and do in a minute is see if I can bring the drone down, just to fall it really. I'm going to follow this shadow. Okay, so let's come out of the shadow because it's obviously can't see me very well. That'll do. Right, I brought it down to 6 foot. Now is that going to go up? Now I would say that's pretty minimal. I'm just going to come away because the drone's going to go into the bushes there. So it's still staying at 6 foot. Okay, I'm going to try one more go. If it come down a little bit lower. I'm at 4 foot now. So I think when you set up these things, you can obviously alter it. So I got it at 4 foot. Is that staying at 4 foot? I don't know. Because we've got a bit of a bump here. Oh, I'm just going to bring, the drone seems to be, he's still following me. Okay, I'm just going to go over this way a bit. I'm just going to try once more because we're at 4 foot. No. I'm at 3 foot now. Yeah, 3 foot. And it wouldn't go anymore, guys. So, interestingly, and it's still following me. Which I think is pretty good, really. I quite like this. I think it's quite a good effect because it's getting you. Right, I'm going up on a ridge there. I'm just going to see if it'll follow me. Okay. Because that's saying now, oh, it's gone up to 3 foot now. Let's go along this ridge. I mean, to be honest, that, even though it's saying it's 3 foot, that looks pretty low. So, we're just going to I'm just going to bring the drone in and we'll do a summary. That was a good test, that. What surprised me, I thought at first, oh yeah, the Fly app's going to be the best, because it went down pretty low. But not as low as the Maven Evo. But obviously, setting it up, it did seem with the Fly app, it didn't matter too much how high it was or how far away it was. Obviously, with the Maven Evo, it kept telling me I was too low, too far. And once I got it all set up, you then could take control of the controls on your RCM1. And yeah, I think I got it down to just below 3 foot. And it was still tracking me. So that was pretty good. Hope you found that interesting, because I did. I'm going to do some more of those tests, because obviously I've got a bit of a rise there. And I'm wondering if I found a place that's got a nice hill, I'll give it a go then. But anyway, as always, guys, there's going to be another video coming right sooner.